Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Terzo Millennio. So I really don't remember seeing this casting by any other brand, at least for this price range. The moment I saw this, I immediately bought it. So I think I bought this for around 700 or so, 650 or 700, around that range. Again, I remember I didn't buy it for 995, which is the MRP. Honestly, these are not this worth this much because the Revolto really disappointed me a lot. So, with that said, let me unbox this. So I'm really happy I actually have this particular casting in this one is 64 scale. I was hoping it would have some kind of opening part, but let's see. Okay, so here it is. So out of the box, the casting actually looks really beautiful. I mean, I'm not seeing any issue, at least as of now. So it has painted headlight details. So the Lamborghini logo looks good on this one at least. And it has tail light details also here. That also looks really nice. So it actually has some detailing, on the interior. So it does look really good, but they blacked it out. So I know this car actually had some kind, like this tinted windows. I'm not sure if I can open this. I don't want to break it either, but okay. I think they put this piece, I mean, they attached this piece inside because I'm not able to see any hinge to open it. It just feels like an attachment, so I don't want to break anything here. But it has good amount of interior detailing to it, and the color on this one looks absolutely amazing. I actually have this casting in 1:24 scale. This car in 1:24 scale. That is really nice. So the wheels on this one looks really, really amazing. It is true to this particular car that I can say. And so the body is fully metal. So this piece here, this is like fully plastic. This whole, cockpit here, this is plastic. And so the chassis is plastic, as you can see here, but it looks really nice, and I really love this particular casting for a change at least. Okay, it doesn't have any suspension. I'm really happy about that because this car is supposed to sit so low to the ground, not like like having like 10 centimeter or 15 centimeter ground clearance. I'm talking about this particular casting, not talking about actual car. Okay, let's weigh this casting. Okay, 29 grams. Okay, it is not good, but it is not bad either. Let's see if it actually rolls. Okay, it rolls. I was not expecting that. Okay, the wheels actually, these are rubber tires if you guys are wondering. Still, it rolls really good. It has good threading detailing there. So it is really nice on that aspect. I was hoping it would be having some opening part, like this opening cockpit or something like that, but it doesn't have. But still, it is a beautiful casting. If you guys are able to get this for somewhere around 600, 650, around that range, go ahead and get it. But for 900, it is not really worth that much. Again, I bought it for somewhere around 650 to 700. I'm not remembering the exact figure now, but it is somewhere around that price point. So, okay, let's rate this casting now. I missed that. So, it actually has all the detailing to it. So I know this is really hard to put an acrylic headlight on this particular design here. I'm not even sure how many premium brands does this. I'm talking about other brands like Tarmac, these kind of brands. I think there is one more brand which did this particular casting, if I'm not wrong. I saw it like long back when this, I think 2 years back or so. But I'm not remembering it right now. What brand did that? But I don't remember. Even they also put some kind of acrylic headlights here for this. But for the price point which I bought, somewhere between 650 to 700, if I'm not wrong. So it has actually all the detailing to it. It looks really good, and I don't see any issue with the casting itself. So it actually looks really beautiful. It feels like separate pieces, but I'm not able to do anything. I was hoping it would do move or do something like that open. But anyways, so I'm giving a 10 out of 10 for this particular casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.